for you guys.
The Office of Nature is a beachside fresh seafood restaurant located on the Blood Bay in Negril, Jamaica. And we had the chance to visit this location for lunch just a few days after the 2023 New Year's. The most popular menu item here is the lobster plate, and the plate price depends on the size of the lobster you choose.
First time?
Yes, sir.
Welcome home, man. This is it, man. You'll love it.
Can't film your lobster?
Nope. No fresher, you can't get it. Only here at the Office of Nature.
On this visit, we chose a lobster that was about medium size or so and cost $45, but it was easily shareable between two people, especially for a lunch meal. Big Daddy. Everything is freshly cooked right at the beach, and obviously it takes a little bit of time with the fresh seafood and everything, but with the music, the drinks from the bar, and just the beach activity, the beach scenes, the time goes by really quickly.
Happy New Year. Yeah, man. Happy to see you all, ladies and gentlemen. Blessed love.
Another nice thing about the Office of Nature, besides the food itself, is that Donovan is there to play at lunch just about every day. And if you've been to Negril, to Bloody Bay before, you know who Donovan is.
Happy New Year to everyone. Welcome to Jamaica again. My name is Donovan and we right here where we have a lot of friends. Happy New Year to everyone. Welcome again. Welcome again to the Office of Nature right here in Jamaica. Welcome again. Hey. Steer it up. Little darling, steer it up. Come on and steer it up. Little darling, steer it up. Come on and steer it up. Welcome, my friends, welcome. Little darling, steer it up. Welcome over the casa su casa.
This is for theater, and he has 1 star. He said, I would not recommend. Yeah. You know what? I do not recommend. I do not recommend.
In the theater?
He gave it 1 star for first theater because I would not recommend.
Little darling, steer it up. Thank you. Woo! Yeah, bless. Ira! Even though it seems like my back is turned towards you, it's not. My face is around there, all right? Love and respect. Thank you all very much. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for KK in the bar.
And then the food came, and oh my, it was really good. And then to top it off, before we left, Donovan played our wedding song, which made this visit even more special for us.
You was the only love I've known, but you rescued me reaching for the border and brought me back. Bien, you're as smooth.
No one should have to do work when they're on vacation in Jamaica, but if you do, I would choose to do it at this office. We hope this video gave you a good oversight of the Office of Nature and you get the chance to visit it sometime soon. Just like with all of our videos, check the description below as we always add links in there so you can do your own research as you get closer to your visit. We'll also add a link in the description that's the PayPal account that goes directly to Donovan so you can thank him for the music he shared in this video. And as always, we hope to see you out there getting fresh air.
I'm looking for love in all